What is up, you guys? Mushroom Mania here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put your agar to liquid culture and expand your library. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some petri dishes and agar with some nice fluffy mycelium growing. You're going to need some sterilized liquid culture. If you want to do needle biopsy, you're going to need a needle. But we're just going to be doing it in a still air box with a sterilized blade, chopping off pieces of the agar, dumping them right in, or possibly maybe even scraping them off the top and just trying to dump in the agar that way. We'll see how we rock. I don't know what we're gonna do quite yet. So I got my still air box. I cleaned it all up. I'm gonna prepare myself to get my hands up in there, get dirty. Check out that GT we got going on. Took everything over. Some ape off the LC, but these two, beautimous. This GT is what we're going to be working on today. The GT is just your everyday gourmet. You'll find it in stores all over. An X-Acto knife and some new clean blades, some sort of fire. This I've just been letting sit for a while, let those alcohol vapors try to go away as much as possible. I am going to have a little fire in there. It's literally been like 45 minutes since I've cleaned it, so I'm not too concerned about it. Got our X-Acto knife and a brand new blade. I'm going to put it over here, keep it in a nice area, know where it is. Don't cut yourself. They cut deep. Let's go get our flame. Got my torch, got my flame. We're going to clean everything up before it goes into the still air box, trying to keep that environment as sanitary as possible. We've got some alcohol in a spray bottle. I'm spraying down everything from the torch to the agar plate, the knife, and then everything that can will get flame sterilized. So we've got our agar with our with our film on the outside. I'm going to hold this cap down. I don't want the cap to come off prematurely. Hold the cap down, spin this top off. Hold the cap down tight, because sometimes, you know, you got sugars in here, they like crust together. Peel this off. This should still be a sterile environment since you've had the tinfoil on it. Should be. Screw this cap back on. Liquid culture. Alright. I'm going to unravel my agar. Alright, I'm going to assist it in cooling down. No more flames after this, or that was the only flame we're going to be doing. Assisted in cooling down. We're going to remove this ring. Need to get ready to take this top off. I'm going to flip the agar. I'm going to hold it up so you guys get a better view. We're going to cut a small triangle. We're going to come over here to the edges of the agar, not towards the middle. We'll do two. Nope. Probably shouldn't have put that down. We are now going to take the top off of our liquid culture. Take this agar, splash it right in there. Another way you can do it is you just scratch the surface, pull some agar. It's easier with the proper tool. And toss it in there. All done with the agar. Close up your liquid culture. Give it a swirl. Now you've got an agar in a liquid culture. Pretty sweet. Alright. Alright, I've got 2 ketchup cup agars here. We're going to do a quick agar to agar transfer. So, I'm going to crack the lid here in this ketchup cup. I'm going to re-sterilize this quick. Help it cool down. Agar some love. Crack them both real quick. Pick this one up. Do another small triangle. Cut out 2. Take the lid off. Close these 2 back up, and we just transferred over to some new agar, and that should expand our library and keep this going on. Agar doesn't last forever. You're either going to have to continuously do agar to agar transfers, or you're going to have to do culture slants. Those last longer. Liquid culture lasts quite a while. Take spores. But you need to figure out how to expand and keep your library going. You don't want to lose good fruits. You don't want to lose good genetics. So that's how you do an agar to liquid culture. That's how you do an agar to agar. If you want to, leave in the comments. We can do an agar to corn, and I could use the rest of this. I don't know. Might just do it. So if you guys want to see something like that, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for all the future videos coming out. Peace and love.